Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and then scrolling down to access Security section. When you're ready, scroll down again, click on Face, and enter your current login method. Following that, read all of those instructions and tap on Start Enrollment. Keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Then tap on OK at the bottom. Manage all of those options however you wish though. And finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!